Hello mga pards out there. Have a great day. Today I am so happy because I have a new member in our family. She's our nanay and I want her to be happy. So I decided to give her a simple things and it pumps to my mind that giving fish is the best way to make her happy. So let's go fishing again. So we're gonna catch fish for nanay. But the weather is not good. Hmm? There's a storm coming. But I will do my best so that nanay will happy today. Before she go home, she can bring something. First catch. Second catch. It's a big one. Another catch, guys, but I think this one is a small one. Yeah, I think it's small one, so I think I will let it free. Have to go. So guys, I will take this opportunity to still go fishing while raining because nanay can't go home. So she need to wait the rain stop. Another catch, guys. Another one. Uy, big. Another big, guys. Wow. It's so big, guys. See that? So big. So lucky. Wow. If I can catch two more, and then that's it for today. Oh, the big one. So big, guys. I catch the big one, guys. Look at that. Wow, super lucky. And it's tambok na. Fat. Wow, a lucky one. He's so strong. See? Wow. Uy, it catch again, but this time it's a small one. So, guys, this is a small one. So I need to. Wait, wait. Wait. He's so smart. I let it free because small one. Oh, too small. See that? Oh no. Whoa, in its eyes. Sorry, sorry fish. I didn't mean it. It really hurts. I'm very sorry. Oh, the fish are so small. When the rain stop, and then I catch a lot of small. Yes. So I wish it will rain again. Where's the big one? Guys, I catch the big one. I thought it's a carp, but he was tangled with a tree hook. Oh, come on. He was really hurt. It's okay, this one is better. Uy! What kind of fish is it? Guys, did you see that? Okay mga pards, I think this is enough. And let's go and I will give it to nanay. Pick up his wife. One, two,
3 4
chicken are all alive. Maybe.
ไปตักชอบค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
พรุ่งนี้ทำ
โอเค
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.